A beautiful day to you, our wonderful scholars. You are welcome to Divine Offspring Virtual Classroom. I'm glad to have you with me today. The topic for today's grammar lesson is formation of adjectives. So, get your writing materials so you can write down important points while the lesson is going on. Then, find a quiet spot in your home to study. Take away any form of distractions, as we shall need you to be mentally prepared for the activities in today's lesson. We begin with this short quiz. Match the words in box A with the letters in box B to form new words. Let us do the first one together. Discuss and ION gives a new word, and that is discussion. Now, pause the video to attempt the remaining. When you are ready with your answers, click on the play button to resume the lesson. I believe you're ready with your answers now. Okay. And our answers are educational, performance, requirement, departure, and peaceful. I hope you got all your answers correctly. That's great. Please take note of these keywords in today's lesson. We have adjectives, suffixes, nouns, and verbs. Sierra and David sat in their room one Saturday afternoon. They had been grounded for failing to tidy up their room. They were feeling bored already, and it wasn't time for lunch yet. Then David suggested that they play a game. "What kind of game?" Sierra inquired. "I will give you a word. Then you have to make the word longer," David explained. "That's cool," Sierra replied. "Okay, here you go. Your first word is shame." After 2 seconds, Sierra yelled, "Shameful!" "Correct," stated David. The next word is confuse. "Confusion, confusing," Sierra replied, laughing. "See, I gave you 2 words in a row. Now, it's time to switch. Here are your words, Dave. Formation of adjectives. We can form adjectives from certain words by adding suffixes to them. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters which is added at the end of a word. Attachment: debtor, colorful, political. Do you notice the letters that are painted in red? Okay, all these words given in red are referred to as suffixes. They have been attached to the word to give a new word. So, the suffixes in these words are ment in attachment, or in debtor, ful in colorful, and al in political. Whenever we add a suffix to a particular word, some things happen. The word becomes longer. The meaning of the word changes. The word class or part of speech changes as well. For example, attract plus IVE gives a new word, attractive. Attract is a verb, while attractive is an adjective. So, by adding the suffix IVE to attract, we have formed a new word which is an adjective. We can form adjectives from verbs. Let us study this table together. We have the verb, the suffix, then the adjective that is formed. Let us read together. Are you ready? Let's go. Accept and able gives acceptable. Divide and able gives divisible. Amuse and ing gives amusing. Create plus ive gives creative. Help and ful gives helpful. Defer and ent gives different. And breathe and y gives the word breathy. We can also form adjectives from nouns. For example, beauty and ful gives the word beautiful. Flame and able gives the word flammable. Custom and ary gives the word customary. History and cal gives the word historical. Child and ish gives the word childish. Home and less gives the word homeless. And poison and ous gives us a new word poisonous. Now please take note. When adding suffixes to some words, the spellings might change. For example, beauty and ful, the letter y in beauty changes to letter I before adding the ful. Also in flammable, the letter E in flame has been removed. We also added another letter M to form flammable. Also in history and cal, the letter Y was replaced by the letter I before cal is added. So go ahead, take a look at the words in your notebooks and textbooks. Can you break them down? Can you remove the suffix from the particular word? Okay. That will be all for today. I wish you all a lovely time. Bye.